far as the Goan temples are concerned, it is an important place of worship. And of course, some unfortunate incident happened recently. I reached nearby, visited all the houses, but as per the custom of the temple, it is told that only after 2-3 days after that only you can visit. Then you will pray. Right temple is concerned. This is the incarnation of Parvati, according to my information, and people are having abundant faith indicate their everything. It's an incident in which certain places lost life. I have expressed my condolence to them. We all pray for them. And this temple is concerned, in the future years, we will take more and more care. Everybody. I am not finding fault with anybody in that aspect, because I am not expected to look into those aspects in detail. And I hope 50,000 people. And one important thing is that I am from Kerala. Sabarimala temple is concerned. In my good old childhood days, there was a system which is called in Malayalam as Adi. Adi means fire, walking barefoot. Such system is here, and after clear observance and all type of Buddha, they are doing it, and we will all try to give more care on this aspect. Of course, people 50,000 or 60,000 people are gathering. That commercial atmosphere may be there. I am praying all of you, we will be more careful for protection be given to those people are coming from various parts of Goa. And this fire, that aspect needs more publicity. It's a rare thing in the Goan temple. It is there. This fire and walking through. So that is only for my purpose of this visit also. I am going to meet almost all important places of worship in Goa. So far 10 temples I covered, and one Vivekananda Swamiji's Ritual Seminary also. That also needs by knowing the people, because after my visit all papers are there. So Vivekananda Swamiji spent 3 days there. It's an important thing for the entire people of not only India, Bharat alone, but outside also. So that things like that in our temple, this type of peculiar system is there. Buddha is there. People are dedicating themselves for Devi Parvati, and other things are there. We will try our level best to give more and more purpose of my visit also. I am going to meet almost all temples. Say 1 month I am spending for that purpose. And from Rajabhavan, of course, a nominal amount given to all temples, not only this temple alone. So in that way, prayer, people, all of the people together along with the governor and other officials, MLA and others, we pray for our betterment, welfare of the people, as well as happiness, for the happiness of the people. Our country also, in the recent past, we all know that Pakistan incident and other things are there. So fraternity, and the temple, when I look into this aspect now in the car, it is stated that fraternity, Shakti and fraternity are the two important motto, slogan of our beloved Devi, and that may be spread to everybody here. I am extending thanks for all of you. Thank you.
Sir, one thing, fact-finding report already out. So, what is the next procedure, and the staff will going to take action by the government?
Law will take its own course. A fact-finding report now received by government. I had no occasion to go through the report. Anyway, by considering true facts, based on true facts, I am sure that government will take further action, and that action should be extending justice to all, and 10 lakhs rupees for people who lost life, and for injured persons already declared. When I visited their houses, I came to know that. And report today I read that the president also didn't get a copy that I read in this newspaper. We will look into that aspect, and as far as governor is concerned, we have not reached the time up to that stage of looking into the report and other things. I hope government administrators and tribal committees all will together look into all these things, and everybody is interested in that this Almighty Devi and Vishwasi's disciples, so that give importance to that aspect.
Help something you are going to provide the people who was injured and who was already victims, and that help something we are going to.
Yes. Already declared, and after 12 days after that, they will try to liberalize the condition. Whenever government money is given to somebody, so many inquiries and other things. This is I requested the government also. This type of people who are gathering, there are certain rituals also here. Brother taken by the people. After, according to my information, I don't know whether it is correct or not. On that day I visited here, I inquired that people are after taking bath from that sacred pond, then they are dedicating everything to the Devi. Nobody can touch them also. In certain temples that system is there, that is also there. So but the limitations are there. We need not inculcate on research on that now. A fact-finding committee report is there. Further anything is required also. Law is not helpless, and let the law take its own course.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.